Welcome to Atlas Copco. In this series of videos, we will guide you through the proper unpacking, installation, operation and essential maintenance procedures of your LFX 2.0 oil-free compressor and FX series refrigerated air dryer. Your LFX compressor and FX dryer are now unpacked and ready for installation. Place the compressor and dryer in a clean, dry, well-ventilated and dust-free room and ensure the mounting surface is level and can support the compressor and dryer weight.
Here are some general installation guidelines. Install the equipment in a clean, cool, frost-free and well-ventilated area. Ensure free airflow around inlet and outlet openings. Air-conditioned rooms are preferred for optimal performance and for increased lifespan. Do not install the compressor in cramped or enclosed areas. Higher ambient temperature will reduce duty cycle and life of the equipment. Ambient temperatures not to exceed 40 degrees Celsius. Protect all units from direct sunlight, rain and wind. Installation under cover or indoors is mandatory. Install the compressor on a level floor or bracket that can support the unit's weight. Do not bolt the compressor/tank feet to the floor or frame. Use the rubber mounts provided. Leave 500mm clearance around each unit for maintenance access. Note: failure to comply with installation guidelines will affect the product warranty. Refer to the Atlas Copco instructions manual or consult Atlas Copco for further guidance.
Keep inlet and outlet openings of the compressor unobstructed. Failing to do so may severely impact the operational life of the compressor. 2.0 oil-free compressor and FX5 refrigeration air dryer are now installed and ready for operation. Refer to the operating instructions for startup procedures.